Welcome back to Taja's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to be starting our earthworm farm. So I know you guys saw the video a couple of months ago where I was like, should I get one? Should I not? I've been thinking about it, but the truth is I already had my mind made up. We were going to have an earthworm farm. So the worms have come in. The actual container has come in. Now we're going to put it together and add the worms to it. So I'm going to read the instructions, but this is going to be super easy. We have already put the legs on right here. You just slide that in good. This is the spigot. We're going to put this little sealant thing on here. And then we're going to put that in there. Now we got this little screw. I'm going to screw it on till it gets extra tight. Hold it tight. You hold it tight. All right, that is as tight as it's gonna go. So we have the little sealant right here. The screw is screwed in really tight. The other one over here, this is gonna make sure that nothing comes out of these sides. And this is for the compost tea or whatever falls down right here. The next piece is this right here. You're supposed to put this right here. It's so weird. This, I believe, is going to help drainage come right here. And then this goes underneath here to catch it.
Is it like?
Okay, now we have all of these layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the very bottom, and then we have the top. Now it's time to go get the worms. First, we're going to put the bedding down.
Not caterpillars, those.
Okay, so now we have the bedding down. The earthworms need to be moist. So I'm going to moisten it with a little bit of rainwater. All right, I think that should be enough.
Ew.
How is it nasty?
It looks gross. Wet cardboard looks gross.
Okay, now the extra water has gone down to the bottom layer. We're going to go ahead.
So can I pour it and see if it goes?
Yeah.
Why stop
The
it?
bottom layer is like that. Go ahead and pour it out. So it goes down there, all the moisture, the excess moisture, and that is going to be your compost tea.
No, we did.
You can pour it all out. Go ahead and pour it all out. Now let's get our worms. These are our worms.
Gross. Oh. The baby worm was connected to it.
Put it down.
Is this poop? Yuck.
Yep, inside of it, yeah.
Yeah, I
Put it
saw
down.
those stuff. It's gross. Ew, poopy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Some more in there?
Yeah.
Okay, put it down.
This one. Yeah. There's a lot of them.
Okay, so earthworms do not like the sun, so eventually they're going to start going down to the bottom.
Wow! It's going down.
Yeah, it's going down. I see.
It's a big worm.
It's a big worm. Put it in
I
here.
see. What's that one doing? Going down.
Yeah, it's going underneath because it doesn't like the sun. It likes to be in the dark. Yeah, be gentle. Okay, now we have some, yeah, you can pour that in there. It's just gonna fall back out. Okay, so we're gonna put some food down here just in case it falls through and it needs something to eat. Okay, so we're going to take this. These are from some collard greens. These are some collard green stalks. We're gonna break it into pieces. As small as you can, Mari. Come on. You're gonna grab them, break it in. No. Grab this and break it.
In right big. Right back. So this tiny, right?
Yeah, try to break it as tiny as you can. Because it's gonna take them a long time to eat this. I'm gonna go in and get the shredded mail because they love eating paper. So now whenever we shred mail, we're gonna put it for the worms to eat. Like if it's shiny or like super slippery, that means that it has
Chocolate?
yeah, it's not good for them.
More tomato. This is really heavy.
Just don't put it in the worm thing.
I see some eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Yep. That's a little worm egg.
That looks like a seed. That looks good.
Yep, it's called a cocoon.
Oh, a tea. I remember you telling us. A tea.
Let me know down in the comments if you have ever done this. Do you have an earthworm farm, or is that something you've been thinking about? Thank you guys for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community on Facebook, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant, and I'll see you over there. But if you can't find it when you type it in, I also have it linked down in the description. Click join, and I'll see you over there.